Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your ID, bike registration, and any medical notes that affect riding. Once you have those, inspect your bike quickly: tires, brakes, lights, and chain, so you know what to disclose. Make an appointment online or by phone because walk-ins can mean long waits. Bring payment or receipt. This front-loaded work saves time at the center and prevents immediate refusal, so do these steps now and move to the application form without delay. You fill the application carefully, entering bike specs, endorsements, and any medical conditions. Mistakes slow approval, so double-check entries. Then you proceed to the practical checks: a brief vision screen, balance tasks, and braking performance. Listen to the inspector and perform each maneuver as instructed. Pay the fee when prompted and collect the temporary receipt. Once done, make sure to book any required follow-up testing or repairs. This middle phase, you finish by receiving the certificate or a digital copy. Check the expiry date and note required renewals so you stay compliant. If you don't pass, ask for written reasons and a corrective checklist so you know exactly what to fix. This saves guesswork and speeds up reinspection. Make sure to keep all receipts and test records. If problems persist, contact the issuing office for clarification. Otherwise, complete repairs or medical clearance and return for a prompt retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.